So Sylvester is now the proud daddy of 3 babies at present. They're still very young. I won't go in there and show you them. They're a bit small. Don't want to disturb them. Tweety and Sylvester having a good munch on some fresh grass. Hopefully she's feeding the babies right. This will be her first real batch of babies. Batch? Clutch is probably a better word. As you can see, that's why they're called Red Rumps. Although Tweety doesn't have that, of course, seeing as she's all yellow. That's Tweety making that noise. It's a very high-pitched, squeaking noise. Fortunately, she's a bit hidden behind the grass. You two going to stay over there? We'll have a quick look in your box. Little fluff balls. Right, I'll leave you guys to it as a motorbike goes past. Make sure you look after those babies. Bit of a mess in the garden here at the moment. Got a project going on. Anyway, it's time to give some grass to the Red Rumps. Every day I'm giving them quite a bit of grass at the moment. Oh, they can hear me coming. They're getting excited. As is Joey, obviously. Not for you, mate. I've got to try and fend off the Cockatiels on the way to the Red Rumps, because they're going to want this grass, aren't you? What was squawking about? Ah! Attacked by teals. Oh, right in my ear. Guys. Enough for you guys today. Come on, it's for your neighbours. Right. Don't you come in here, Joey. No. Turk's trying to get underneath the gate. He wants the grass too. Right, while I'm here, can I just have a look at your babies? Can I have a look at your babies? Promise I won't hurt them. Now, it's a little bit cramped here with this big camera. Oop, little wing just popped out. G'day guys. Quail tucking in. Uh-oh, there's a bumblebee down there. Is that on the grass I just brought in? Bumblebee that needs to be rescued. Sylvester! Alright, I'm going to have to stop filming, guys. Hang on. Right, I've got him on this bit of cuddle here. See if we can get him outside. Hello, Dovey. Hello. It's not for you, it's a bee. It's going to climb in on my finger now. Get that door shut. Joey! Get out, Joey! 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 Oh, you little devil. Come on, Joey, out! Come on, quick! Thank you, Joester. It's all gone a bit mad. What do you want? Oh! The bee's just fallen off now, Dovey. It's just a bit of cuddle. Okay? No! No! Swinny! Fun of having lots of different birds. Come on, mate. Let's get you out of here. Something gonna eat you. You're going for my finger again, aren't you? Hey. Stay on the cuddle. Right, just sit there for a second. Joey! Joey, I'm trying to get out the door, mate. Go, stop. You can go back in there. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And Turk's gonna follow out. Twisty. Come on, Joester. Good boy. Good boy. It's a madhouse today. Let's get this little fella outside. Somewhere dry, shall we? Get up on the deck. Building a spa pool here, that's why there's so much debris everywhere. Still planning it out. Right, you sit on the table there. It's like living in a zoo, Pixel. And Fluff's getting in the way of the camera. You hate this camera, don't you? So the Turks and the teals, I'll give them a little bit of grass here too. Seeing as they're going nuts for it, especially Twisty. Here, Twist. This one's for you, mate. Joey, Twisty's about to land on my hand. Come on, Twist. You gonna let Twisty have some? Hurry up, Twisty. You're putting them off, Joester. Come on, mate. You want some more cuddle on that one, Dovey? It must have been a very popular flavour. It's almost gone. Right, put the grass here. This camera's very good for making mesh disappear, which is handy. I don't know where these red rumps are going to go once they've left their nest. Where are we going to put them? Who are you singing to, Joester? Some miserable weather, isn't it? This wind's been rather wet the last 24 hours. I'm going to come and check on the babies. It has now been 17 days since the video I took of them as little fluff balls. Here's some grass shortly, guys. Come in to check on your little ones. Can we see them through there? Can I have a look? Nearly falling out. Oh, they're getting big. You can see the colour starting to come through on their tails there. So none of them are going to be yellow like Tweety, that's for sure. Lock up that other hole with my hand there. Hello. Hello. So these guys are about 19 days old. Hey, I don't want you up there by that door. As you can see, there was 4 eggs. One of them hasn't hatched. I haven't managed to get it out yet, but maybe I'll get it out now. Oh no, if I take my hand away from there, they might jump out the hole. Oh, they don't want me looking at them. I think I'll go now. Looks like doves are building nests. Just as a comparison here, this egg on the right is the one I just took out of the red rump box, and this one on the left is a dove egg. As you can see, pretty similar in size. And it looks like, or sounds like, yeah, you want your egg back? You left it on the ground. Sounds like Dove is in Charlie's spot. Yeah. It's no good, is it, Charlie? Huh? They kicked you out of your house. They kicked you out. Yeah. No good, is it? I should have made that red rump box a little... Joey, you playing with the eggs? Joey loves eggs. I should have made that red rump box a little deeper and bigger so that they were less likely to go up near the opening. Live and learn. What are you doing? You take those away, eh? Say goodbye. Goodbye. Jump straight on top of the camera. No one can see you when you're on the camera. Get the dirty footprints you made.